Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log out of your Trust Wallet account. For that, you need to go on your Trust Wallet application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now, firstly here, you need to enter the password. Now you will be led to the home page, and at the top left, you can see settings icon. Simply tap on it. Now here, simply tap on main wallets. And here you can see all of the wallets that you have created in your Trust Wallet. Currently, I don't have any. Now you need to select the one that you want to delete. And after that, you can see 3-dot icon at the side. You need to tap on it. You will be led to this kind of interface. And at the top, you can see the delete option. You can tap on that. Now this kind of box will pop up. Make sure you have backup of your wallet. Now simply tap on delete. Now you need to enter the passcode. And now you can see that you are logged out of your Trust Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.